Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease with me Arpita Sharma, and today we are going to discuss the strategy which is needed, which is required for Pol Science and International Relation optional paper. PSIR optional. PSIR means Political Science and International Relations. This is the whole topic. So in this optional, how to prepare, what are the syllabus, let us discuss. Now basically when we talk about PSIR, it's a very comprehensive optional paper. It is very dynamic. It has not only the static fact but also the current affair portion. So it is divided into two papers, part 1 and part 2, 250 marks each. Okay. Part 1 is dealing with political theory and Indian politics, within which there are different sections. Section A deals with 4 subtopics: political theory, political ideologies, Indian political thought, and Western political thoughts. Now, when we talk about section A, political theory, let us understand political theory. What topics are present under political theory? Under political theory, the meaning of political theory you have to understand, and the approaches you have to understand. Then comes political ideologies. Under political ideologies, the theories of the state you have to understand: liberal, neoliberal. What books you have to refer, I am going to tell you that also. Marxist, pluralist, right? Post-colonial, feminist, etc. These will come under political theory only, right? ये political theory के अंदर ही आएगा. It will come under political theory only. Within political theory only it will come. So this is the syllabus of your section A of part 1 of PSIR optional. PSIR ऑप्शनल का पार्ट 1 जो पेपर 1 होता है उसमें सेक्शन ए की ये सिलेबस है. मीनिंग, अप्रोच, थ्योरीज ऑफ स्टेट, जस्टिस, राउल्स थ्योरी, इक्वालिटी, राइट्स, डेमोक्रेसी, व्हाट इज पावर, हेजेमनी, आइडियोलॉजी, लेजिटिमेसी, देन पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजीज, इंडियन पॉलिटिकल थॉट, धर्मशास्त्र, अर्थशास्त्र, बुद्धिस्ट ट्रेडिशन, M.K. गांधी, B.R. अम्बेडकर, M.N. रॉय, वेस्टर्न पॉलिटिकल थॉट ऑफ प्लाटो, एरिस्टोट, देन होब्स, लोक, जॉन एस मिल, मार्क्स, हैना एरेंट. तो ये सारे जो वेस्टर्न पॉलिटिकल फिलोसोफर्स रहे हैं उनके थॉट प्रोसेस भी आपको पढ़ने हैं, राइट? नाउ कम सेक्शन बी ऑफ पार्ट पेपर 1. पेपर 1 कब आता है आपका? सेक्शन बी. नाउ सेक्शन बी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, प्लस इट इज वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव, बहुत ही ज्यादा कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव भी है. Okay, so section B covers, first topic is Indian government and politics. This section can be broadly divided into 3 subsections: nationalism, core polity, and various diverse topics. Nationalism consists of 2 topics. Nationalism में भी 2 topics आते हैं. First topic is known as the political strategies of India's freedom struggle. इंडिया के फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल के दौरान किस तरीके की स्ट्रैटेजी तैयार की गई थी, पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रैटेजीज तैयार की गई थी, वो आपको पढ़नी है. एंड सेकंड कम्स पर्सपेक्टिव्स ऑन इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट. पॉलिटिकल एंगल से इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट पे आपका क्या ओपिनियन है वो भी आपको अच्छे से पढ़ना है. Liberal, socialist, Marxist, radical humanist, Dalit, all these perspectives you have to study. And in the part A, political strategies, you have to study the constitutionalism, to mass satyagrah, non-cooperation, civil disobedience, peasant and workers movement. This, if you are studying GS paper 1 history, that will be, these portion will help you in history also, right? Then comes core polity topics, right? Now in core polity topics, it's very important, right? ये बहुत ही important है. Either you have to understand the salient features of Indian Constitution. भारत के संविधान के जो फीचर्स हैं वो आपको अच्छे से पढ़ने हैं. Obviously while preparing GS paper 2, that will be prepared, right? Legacy of British rule, different social and political perspectives you have to study over here. Then the salient features of Indian Constitution: preamble, fundamental right, fundamental duty, judicial review, parliamentary system, amendment, etc. Then principal organs of union government. This is A. This is the principal organ. principal organs of the union government you have to study, right? Legislature, executive, Supreme Court, right? Then grassroots democracy you have to study. Grassroots democracy. Grassroots democracy means the Panchayati Raj, right? Municipal government, 73rd and 74 amendments, statutory institutions you have to study. That means whole of the M Lakshmikant book you have to study, right? सारी जो एम लक्ष्मीकांत के जितने भी चैप्टर्स हैं वो आपको अच्छे से पढ़ने हैं, फेडरलिज्म एटसेट्रा. Then comes various diverse topics. Here planning and economic development is one topic. Planning and economic development. Then in this you have to study about Nehruvian and Gandhian perspectives when it comes to economic development and planning. Okay, Nehruvian and Gandhian perspective. Then what is the role of planning and what is the role of public sector in planning? Green revolution you have to study over here. Okay, it will help you in GS paper 3 also. Land reforms, agrarian reforms, liberalization, economic reforms. Then you have to study caste, religion, and other, ethnicity in Indian politics. You have to study party system, the national and regional political parties, then patterns of coalition politics, pressure groups, electoral behavior, etc. Then you have to study the social movements also. Environmentalist movement, women's movement, civil liberties and human rights movement, that you have to study. This is the syllabus of paper 1, section A and section B. Now comes paper 2, comparative political analysis and international politics. Now this is a very dynamic topic because it has current affairs as well. It is full of current affairs, static plus current affairs. Part 1 was static, but part 2 is static plus current affairs. So here in section 1 of paper 2, there are 2 subtopics: comparative politics, theories and concept in international relation, global institution and groups. So the comparative politics will deal with nature and major approaches, political economy, limitations of comparative politics, right? Then it will talk about characteristic and changing nature of the state in capitalist and socialist economies, political representation or participation. For example, political parties you have to study, social movement, pressure group, etc. Then theories and concepts in international relation will deal with globalization, idealist approach, realist approach, functionalist, systems theory you have to study, Marxist approach, and key concepts in international relation, that is national interest, security power, world capitalist economy, etc. Then comes global institutions and groups. Here you have to study about non-aligned movement, in which India was a party. Then you have to study about World Trade Organization, World Bank, United Nations, all the global institutions, EU, ASEAN, you have to study about them. Then you have to study about APEC, SAARC organization, NAFTA, etc. Okay. And then comes another topic. अब आता है आपका दूसरा topic, right? The next topic in paper 2 is India and the world. This is the next topic in paper 2, India and the world, right? So here you have to first study about Indian foreign policy. Then you have to study about India's contribution. This is all related to your history. India's contribution to non-aligned movement. Then you have to study about India's relation with South Asia. Then South Asia as a free trade area, you have to study about it. Then you have to study about India's look east policy. Okay, and the river water disputes which we have with the other country. Brahmaputra river dispute which we are having with China, Indus water dispute with Pakistan. All these water disputes also you have to study. So first of all, this is the syllabus of your paper 1 and paper 2. You should know the syllabus first. Now let us understand the strategy and the book list. When it comes to book list, section A, Political theory, meaning and approach, you have to cover it from Shubhra Ranjan ma'am's notes. They are easily available in the market, very easily available through Amazon or in any of the bookshops, right? So Shubhra Ranjan ma'am's notes are also available online भी available है, Amazon पे आप जाकर इन्हें purchase कर सकते हो, right? I will provide you with the link of all these notes and books in the description box, don't worry, नीचे description box में मैं links भी provide कर दूंगी. Theories of state topic, you have to cover it from O.P. Gauba political theory book, and also you can cover it from Shubhra ma'am's notes. Justice Andrew Hewitt political theory book plus Shubhra ma'am's notes. You can also visit this YouTube video, Rao's Theory of Justice. This will also help you, right? Then equality topic, you have to cover it from O.P. Gauba sir's book and Shubhra ma'am's notes. The rights, Shubhra ma'am's notes, and democracy topic, you have to cover it from O.P. Gauba. Then comes the concept of power, you can study it from Shubhra ma'am's notes. Concept of hegemony, for that you can study from Wikipedia, Gramsci's theory, Italian Marxist philosopher, online also you can read it. Then ideology concept, you can study it from Andrew Hewitt book, Political Ideologies. It is one of the excellent book. Legitimacy, you can study this concept from Shubhra ma'am's notes. Then comes the political ideologies. For that you can purchase Andrew Hewitt's book, Political Ideologies. It's one of the finest and excellent book for this topic. Western thinkers and Indian thinkers, you can rely on Shubhra ma'am's notes and IGNOU notes. Now comes section number B. Indian nationalism, you can study it from Spectrum Modern India. Perspectives on Indian national movement, Shubhra ma'am's notes are sufficient. Making of Indian Constitution, salient features of Constitution, principal organs, grassroots democracy, statutory institution and federalism, all you can study from M. Lakshmikant book. Then comes planning and economic development. Now this topic you can study it from NCERT, class 12th NCERT, Indian Economic Development. And caste, religion and ethnicity topic you can study from Shubhra Ranjan ma'am's notes. Party system, social movement, these topics can be studied from Shubhra ma'am's note. So Shubhra ma'am cover everything. So don't panic and don't go for book hunting. It is not required. Okay, Shubhra ma'am's notes are easily available online. So you can purchase them and you can focus on them. And also you have to prepare the international relation portion. Now this again can be covered from Shubhra Ranjan ma'am's notes. Okay. Then there is a very important book, The Globalization of World Politics. You can write it down. Globalization of World Politics by Patricia Owens and Steve Smith. This book is one of the most important book for globalization topic in paper 2. राइट, पेपर 2 में जो ग्लोबलाइजेशन टॉपिक है उसके लिए ये बुक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ग्लोबलाइजेशन ऑफ वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिक्स बाय पेट्रिशिया ओवेंस एंड स्टीव स्मिथ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन यू हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिक्स क्लास 12th एनसीईआरटी ऑल्सो. क्लास 12th की जो वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिक्स की एनसीईआरटी है वो भी आपको पढ़नी है फॉर पेपर 2, राइट. देन एंड्रू हीवर्ट तो आपके पास होनी चाहिए किताब, राइट. ऑल द अदर टॉपिक्स ऑफ पेपर 2 will be covered by Andrew Hewitt book and Shubhra Ranjan ma'am's notes. Okay, that is important. So this is the topic which you have to study. Now there are editorials also. Whose editorials to focus on? RSTV को तो miss करना भूलना मत. You cannot miss RSTV and you can follow the online editorials of first Suhasini Haidar. I am giving you the names also. आप ऑनलाइन इनके एडिटोरियल्स भी पढ़ सकते हो. सुहासिनी हायदर, सेकंड हुसैन हक्कानी, देन प्रताप भानु मेहता. These editorials will help you a lot. These writers are one of the most renowned writers. Then KC Singh, Rakesh Sood, C. Raja Mohan, Harsh V. Pant. These are the most important and most renowned writers. these editorials, these writers write such wonderful editorials that is going to help you in your optional paper, right? तो इनके तो आपको optional paper पढ़ने हैं. Then you can also go through online the Wire news channel. ऑनलाइन जो आपका न्यूज डिजिटल न्यूज चैनल है द वायर, आप उसको पढ़ सकते हो, राइट? दे आर ऑल्सो गुड फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग एंड कीपिंग योर सेल्फ एंगेज्ड विद द ऑडियो विजुअल कंटेंट. ओके, so this is the book list and the strategy for preparing your optional. Your optional should be prepared within 4 months. 4 महीने के अंदर अंदर आपका optional prepare हो जाना चाहिए. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you really enjoyed it, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And one more advice, after the preliminary is done, just attack your optional straight away. जैसे ही preliminary exam दे देते हो ना, prelims दे देते हो, उसके just बाद optional के लिए पढ़ना शुरू कर दो. Attempt 1 to 2 answers every day through previous year papers. Okay, and align your own study plan and timetable with completing the test series with utmost seriousness.